I want to share my favorite Disney World essentials. The first is a reusable shopping bag. These fold up very small and take up virtually no space in your bag. They are lightweight but can hold over 40 pounds worth of stuff. The bags come in a variety of colors and sizes, but my favorite is the standard or medium size. I find it to be the most versatile. I use these as pool bags for my sunscreen and sunglasses, and they are large enough to hold beach towels. They are machine washable and I do hang them to dry. I also use them as laundry bags on trips. Another item I pack for dirty clothes is a kitchen garbage bag. It's also perfect to store damp or wet bathing suits and clothes until you get home. I bring a laundry hamper with me on trips that are 4 nights or more. It helps me keep the hotel room nice and tidy. This pop up mesh hamper folds flat and is easy to pack. I've gotten completely on board with packing cubes. I'm a huge fan. They are perfect for packing organization and they fit well in the hotel drawers. I bring stain wipes and a Tide pen on trips because I'm a coffee drinker and clumsy. Hand sanitizer is a must. My favorites are these wipes. They are thick and are perfect before or after a meal. And this hand spray is what I use after rides, especially ones with handlebars. I use a hand sanitizer case to attach the spray to the outside of my bag for easy access. And I attach it with a carabiner, which can also be used to clip other items to your backpack or part bag, such as a baseball cap, popcorn bucket, refillable mug, or water bottle. Pack sunscreen in a Ziploc bag to store it in because the outside of the bottles can get sticky and messy. The temperature in Orlando is warm to hot most of the year, so I bring these thin portable fans. They are easy to pack in a pocket or part bag, and I primarily use them while waiting in an outdoor line. I also bring hair ties to pull my hair up and off of my neck on hot days. The weather forecast in Orlando changes often, and I pack a poncho no matter what the forecast says. These thin ponchos are easy to pack, but locals do say that raincoats and umbrellas are the superior choice. Magic bands are not essential, but if you do get one, please get these small straps to keep your magic band from falling off. Snacks is an essential. We are fortunate enough to fly out of New Orleans often, and our favorite part of that is eating the beignets from Cafe Des Moines. However, recently we have had a couple of trips where going through security took too long and we weren't able to get them. Bring a snack from home so that it can tie you over until you get to your destination. Staying hydrated is important, so I bring liquid IV and a reusable water bottle. The hotel gift shops on Disney property have a small section with basic over the counter medication, but these stores are not open 24 hours and they are priced higher than the medicine that you can get from your hometown. So I like to bring some medicine with me. I usually bring some pain reliever, allergy relief, blister bandages, motion sickness relief, and some form of stomach medication like Tums or Rolette. I also pack band aids and other items for blisters. Even with well broken in shoes, the sweat, rain, or water rides could cause friction and blisters. I've been packing an AirTag in my bag, and it just gives me peace of mind, not only on the plane, but if I leave my bags with Bell Service on check in or check out day. If you love any of these items, I will try to link as many as I can in the description. Happy packing and happy travels.